गाइस, आप सब कैसे हैं। तो आज हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इन डेयरी माइक्रोबायोलॉजी। वाई इज़ मिल्क पास्चुराइज्ड? Pasteurization involved by a French Louis Pasteur during the 19th century. Pasteur discovered that heating milk to a high temperature and then quickly cooling it before bottling or packaging it could keep it fresh for longer time. Pasteurization makes sure milk is safe to drink by killing any bacteria and also helps in to protect its shelf life. The process of pasteurization involves heating milk to 71.7 degree for at least 15 seconds and no more than 25 seconds. Because of the nature of the heat treatment, it is sometimes to has the high temperature short time. इसका short form है HTST process. There are other process like LTH 60 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, then last UTH 137.8 degree per second. Once the milk has been heated, it is then cooked very quickly to less than 3 degrees Celsius. The equipment which is used to heat and cool the milk is called a heat exchange. Next, significance or importance of pasteurization. It destroys microclonic and mesophilic microorganisms in raw milk, which reduce microbial load of raw milk, thus improve shelf life of milk. It prevents transmission of two pathogens which are known be transmitted from raw milk. Microorganisms, tuberculosis and Chlorella botanic. It also destroys spoilage causing microbes. If they are not destroyed, they are likely to interfere with desired activities of startup culture used for commercially dairy products. In case of certain dairy products, the process of pasteurization inactives naturally occurring enzymes present in a raw milk. Certain of flavors imparted to raw milk can be removed. अब इसका इम्पोर्टेंस है तो लिमिटेशंस भी होगा ही. तो लिमिटेशंस क्या है? The process equipments to disinfection and not to sterilization. All types of microbes present in milk may not be killed, and heat-resistant structures such as endospores are not destroyed. The temperature of pasteurization on cannot inactivate streptococcus or endotoxins as well as alpha toxins. Aspergillus flavors has these toxins are thermostable antimicrobial agents which are naturally present in raw milk are completely inactivated during pasteurization. Lysozymes lactoproduce. Next, organoleptic properties of milk are likely to be altered, especially when milk is pasteurized by process known as UHT. Loss of certain vitamins can take place when milk is pasteurized by UHT. ये जो इसके टाइप्स है ये हम लोग पढ़ेंगे बट नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में पढ़ेंगे. ओके. Next, pasteurization is a process named after scientist Louis Pasteur process applied heat to destroy pathogens in food for the dairy industry. The term pasteurization and similar terms mean the process of heating every particles of milk or milk products in properly designed and operated equipment under given temperature and time. अब नेक्स्ट उसमें हम लोग टाइप्स पढ़ेंगे. कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं? 3 LTH, HT, ST और UTH. अगर आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो आप लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करिएगा. थैंक यू.